it's just such a unique experience. And you know when you're down there that you're actually one of the few people in the planet that has seen these storms, that is experiencing that sort of wildness of the ocean. Was below 45 degrees south, between 45 and 60 south. So it's the furious 50s, the screaming 60s, it's the Southern Ocean. The longest stretch I had at sea was 81 days, completely solo. And I didn't see another human being, boat or ship or anything for 74 days. So it's just this unbroken horizon line. It doesn't matter what the conditions are doing, there's nothing to break up that view. And most of the time in the Southern Ocean it's really grey conditions, so you've got grey sky with grey seas, and that's about it. Is going to be competing with my boat Climate Action now in the Rolex Sydney to Hobart yacht race this year. I've decided to run the race with an all-female crew and run it as a bit of a mentor project in partnership with the Magenta Project, which is very, very exciting. Throughout my sailing as a girl, I've faced lots of missed opportunities because of my gender, and it's been a lot harder. You have to work a lot harder to get the same opportunities. So I guess I just wanted to create a bit of a pathway program for up and coming sailors to get out and have a go doing something like the Sydney to Hobart on a great race boat, and create some conversation around that. And so far there's been some really fantastic support from the industry, which is really, really good to see.